school kid must have done it. There was a drawing inside. I got it at Goodwill. And then when I was working on the allegorical sea monsters, I decided to do something, the one on the left, kind of to work with the frame. The drawing on the right can be seen in my website in a gallery called Other Holocaust Art. It's called, give me one sec here, Wrestling mit, MIT, that's German for with, Wrestling mit Hannah Arendt, the Shoah, that's Hebrew for the Holocaust, Bayer Leverkusen, and slave labor. Bayer Leverkusen, a German industrial firm, we all know it from Bayer aspirin. They used slave labor during the years of the Third Reich. Hannah Arendt was born, I think around 1906, died around, I think 1975. German, Jewish, immigrant to the US, journalist. She covered the Adolf Eichmann trial, I think, 1961. And she caused controversy for generations, still does. All these years after she's gone, she did a book, Eichmann in Jerusalem, which I never read, but I know the premise of it. It's her covering the Eichmann trial for American newspapers or whatever. With her controversy is her contention that any peoples anywhere would be capable of perpetrating genocide. And I'll leave it at that.